How to cancel DoorDash driver order after accepted. So first thing you want to do, if you have already accepted an order but changed your mind before completing the delivery, you can unassign the order by doing the following. For Dashes with Android, select the question mark button at the top right corner of the Dash app. For the listed categories, select the option that best matches your reasoning for unassigning. Click on Issue with Store, I have an issue, or Safety issues. After selecting the most accurate reason for unassigning, tap Unassign with no pay. Confirm the unassignment by clicking Unassign Order. For Dashes with iOS, click the Help button on the top right corner of the Dasher app. From the list of categories, select the option that best matches your reason for unassigning. Click on Issue with Store, I have an issue, or Safety issues. After selecting the most accurate reason for unassigning, tap Unassign with no pay. Confirm the unassignment by clicking Unassign Order. Important to note is that there's no need to contact support for an unassignment if you have not picked up your order. It can all be done in the app. If you already marked that order as picked up, you will not be able to unassign the order from the app. To unassign, contact support. Please note that unassigning an order after you have accepted it may affect your completion rate, even if you reached out to support to unassign. In order to avoid affecting your completion rate, you may want to decline an order when it is offered. And that is how you cancel DoorDash driver order after accepted.